talk to you all about my special case I have been. Everyone has a way and everyone has a different way. But I want to tell you about my own way. I have classified my ways into two groups. First, during my secondary school, and second, after study. During my secondary school, my dream is I want to win. And basketball during my school period, and then I also want to win UIA debate championship during my time in this school, and I also want to change the way of thinking of the Sedar students, that how they can understand about what the real happening, what the real thing happen in Sedar, outside, and the global situation.